Kwa majina ni Wilfred Kambua.
CIKARO cia kungania mawoni ma muingi megie watho wa kigina ni cingerire thiku ya gatatu muthi kuria mugaro na mendekithia maria makoretwo makimurikwo na njira nene watho-ini uyu. Makaya ma ikundi itiganite ruhonge-ini rwa urimi na urihi wa magoti mekireirwo na njira nene umuthi. Kuringana na kanju ya irio nyumu gitaru-ini kia Afrika irathiro, ngarama ya urimi bururi-ini kuongerereka na gikiro kia iguru wona watho uyu wahituka kumana na riendekithia ria kweheria indo cia urimi kuma gikiro-ini kia indo iria itarihagio igoti na kwambiriria kuirengaga igoti, undu uria mendekithitie kweherio watho-ini uyu.
Proposed classifications of agricultural pest control products and inputs of raw materials, fertilizer manufacturing from zero rated to exempt, is likely to pose a significant impact on the agricultural sector and by extension the overall economy of the country. So the reclassification specifically will increase the cost of production for the supplies, hence passing the cost to the farmers, which will ultimately then lead to an increase in the cost of production and food.
With respect to the same, maybe perhaps you could consider increasing the VAT rate to harmonize with the other East African countries, rather than remove the exemptions. I think the one on agricultural commodities or agricultural pest control is one that has a direct effect on agricultural sector, considering that the agricultural industry is one that the country heavily depends on.
Kuringana na ikundi ici, igoti riri ni mugaro na murugamo wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kunyitirira Kenya gikiro gia thi, kuona nio mekuhutio na njira nene ni kuhaica gwa thogora wa indo cia urimi.
We strongly believe that this proposal is against that narrative, and therefore as stakeholders within the agricultural sector, we propose that the government to really reconsider retraining the zero rating status on these particular items.
Undu ungi, ikundi ici hinyiriire utabanirio mugaruruku ni riendekithia ria kugathikira igoti waki na utungatu wa ceceni cia kuguciriria agendi bururi-ini, makiuga undu uyu gucungiriria kwambatira kwa ngarama ya ugendi bururi-ini, undu uria ni ugwati munene kuri bururi kuona ugendi ni umwe wa maundu maria marehagira bururi mbeca nyingi. Undu ungi wiyumiririe hindi ya CIKARO ici ni riendekithia ria kugathikira igoti utonga wa gutiganirwo, aingi makiuga ni undu gucungiriria kuongerereka kwa macira megie utonga magoti-ini.
Multiple taxation, it's not even double, it's almost triple taxation, is going to discourage that. So the first thing you're going to have is there's going to be less planning for generational wealth. In a country where we're grappling with unemployment, where we're grappling with now something we're calling in academia, lifestyle businesses, where the founder dies, the business dies. In a country that's grappling with that in like the whole education sector and many other major sectors in this country, we really need to rethink it from a policy perspective.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Gitagomora, Wagunya.